To be able to earn from your content on Facebook, one of the major requirements is watch hours. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your watch hours so you can monitor your progress and see how close you are to monetization. Knowing this will help you understand the kind of content you need to create so you can reach your required watch hours faster. I have divided this video into different segments, whether you want to use phone or laptop. Also, if you want to check for your Facebook profile or page, just navigate to the part that works for you.
How to check your watch hours from your Facebook profile. Log into your Facebook profile using a web browser. On the left-hand side, you will see Professional Dashboard. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down and you will find it. Click on Professional Dashboard. Monetization on Facebook is mainly by invitation. And to make sure you are positioned for this invitation, you need to set up few things. Click on monetization. If this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly do where to subscribe. This will give you access to join our community. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you find it helpful. If it says not yet eligible, click on this arrow beside it. Click on notify me. This will allow Facebook to notify you when you become eligible. The next thing you need to do is to refresh the page. You will now see that the notifications are enabled. Next, to check the watch hours, go back a step, click on Insights, and this is where you will see all your watch hours. On my profile, it is empty because I haven't posted any content yet. Once you start posting videos, your watch hours will appear right here. How to check watch hours for your Facebook page. Log into your Facebook from a web browser. Make sure to switch from your profile to your Facebook page. On the left-hand side, click Meta Business Suite. If you don't see it there, click your profile icon to the top right corner and select Meta Business Suite. Once you click on any one of these methods, both options will lead you to the same page. Once you are inside the Meta Business Suite, on the left-hand side, click Insights. And if Insight is not visible, scroll down and click on All Tools. Under Analyze and Report, you will find Insight. Click on it. Next, click on Overview. And here you will see the total number of views, 3 seconds views, 1 minute views, and also how your audience are engaging. And beside this, you will see your watch time. This is the most important part, which is why we are actually here. In my own case, for example, my watch hours shows 3 days and 1 hour, which is about 73 watch hours in total. Yours might be more or less. Now, to be able to see the total analytics for your watch hours, click on the watch time here. This is your total watch hours like I mentioned earlier. Under it, you will see watch hours from your organic views and also watch hour from ads if you run an ads. One of the ways you can support this channel is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on all post notifications so you never miss out on any updates. In my own case, all my watch hours are organic, no watch hours from adverts because I did not run any advert. The next thing we want to do is to check the contents that are giving us the most watch hours so that we can re-strategize our content to be able to meet up our monetization. Scroll down till you see top content by watch time. And from the example you can see here, one video gave me 19 hours and 10 minutes. This other video gave me 18 hours and 43 minutes. Another one gave me 7 hours and 4 minutes. This will help you know which content perform best so you can create more of what your audience enjoy. Now, to be able to see which audience are actually giving you all those watch hours, if it's your followers or non-followers, scroll up and click on this drop down filter. Change it from organic and ads to followers and non-followers. And here you can see watch hours from my followers and watch hours from non-followers. In my case, followers gave me 2 days and 21 hours. Non-followers gave me 3 hours and 51 minutes. And this clearly shows me that my followers are contributing to most of my watch hours, which is very, very good. At the same time, we do not need to rely only on our followers. We want to be able to reach more people to watch. So this is now the time for you to start creating content that non-followers will enjoy watching so that you can attract them to your page. How to check your Facebook profile watch hours using your mobile phone. Now, for you to be able to access this, you first need to enable professional mode on your profile. If you haven't done that, you won't see the professional dashboard. To learn how to turn professional mode on for your Facebook profile, you can watch the video linked above on how to turn it on. Once you turn it on, open the Facebook app, click on your profile icon to the top left corner, click on professional dashboard, scroll right and click on monetization. Click each of the monetization options and select notify me. After that, go back and click Analytics. And this is where you will see your watch hours. Mine is empty because I haven't posted any content yet, but yours will show if you've been posting content regularly. Click Engagement to see your interactions. You can also click on Audience to see where your viewers are viewing your content from. How to check your Facebook page watch hours on mobile device. Open your Facebook app, make sure you switch from your profile to your page, click on your profile icon to the top left corner, click Professional Dashboard, scroll down and click on Other Tools. Now click on Meta Business Suite. If you don't have Meta Business Suite installed on your phone, go to Play Store or Apple Store, search for Meta Business Suite, download it, and open it up. So you are inside the Meta Business Suite on your phone, click the menu icon that says More, click Insights, scroll down till you are able to find Content. Now click See More Insights, scroll down until you see Watch Time. For example, mine is showing 3 days and 9 hours, which is about 73 watch hours. To learn more about Facebook watch hours and your eligibility for the monetization, I've linked the video up here, click on it, or you can check this video description to watch that video. The video will teach you everything you need to know about Facebook monetization, how you can monetize your profile, how you can monetize your page, what do you need, the documents you need to submit, everything you need to know about Facebook monetization. That is what the video is going to teach you. Now, to be able to see which content is giving you the most watch hours, scroll sideways under top content by watch time. Here you will see which video gave you the most watch hours and which content you should focus on creating more. And this is how you can track and balance your watch hours for both your Facebook profile and your Facebook page. Knowing this will help you to understand what content is working, improve your strategy to reach the watch hours threshold faster, start earning from Facebook. You can also check out my Facebook monetization playlist to learn more. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, same name as my YouTube channel name. I will also leave the link in the description. Or you can simply just click the link on my YouTube profile. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and comment if you found this video helpful. Bye for now.